Coming to you live from our studios here at MS24. Welcome to MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena Amia. Coming up, Cocobod secures $1.3 billion syndicated loan for 2020-2021 cocoa season. Also coming up, a big boost for the aviation sector as Qatar Airways makes first passenger flight to Ghana. Now to the details. Ghana Cocobod has signed a syndicated loan agreement of $1.3 billion for the purchase of cocoa beans in the 2020-2021 cocoa crop season. Now, speaking at the virtual signing of the facility, Chief Executive Officer of Cocobod, Joseph Boahinedu, explained that his outfit is anticipating a boost of about 900,000 metric tons in Ghana's cocoa production. The $1.3 billion syndicated loan was raised from 28 banks, made up of 4 local banks and 24 international financial institutions. The signing comes days after President Akufo-Addo increased Ghana's cocoa producer price by 28%, with cocoa farmers now taking home 660 Ghana cedis per bag of cocoa beans. Chief Executive Officer of Cocobod, Joseph Boahinedu, was optimistic that the measures put in place by government will motivate cocoa farmers to increase production to help meet the target.
Pre-export trade finance facility has been signed to finance cocoa purchases for the 2020-2021 crop season. The loan, which is payable in 7 calendar months, is projected to help purchase about 900,000 metric tons of cocoa for the crop year. We never defaulted in repaying the loans since 1992.
Now, to some good news for the aviation sector. Qatar Airways made its first passenger flight to Ghana with Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This commencement makes the 4th destination to be launched in Africa by the national carrier of the state of Qatar. Now, speaking at the launch of the airline's operations in the country, Minister for Aviation Joseph Kofi stressed that the arrival of Qatar Airways signals confidence in Ghana's aviation industry despite the COVID-19 pandemic.
Qatar is happy that what we're doing, we're on the right path. I think it's also an indication or manifestation of the prudent management of the economy, confidence in the way things are being done in Ghana, to come and help us grow our national economy. I think what's most important for us in the aviation sector is that we're looking at this as an indication of competition. We've had many airlines flying in and out of Ghana for a long time. The standard ones that we know, British Airways, KLM, and then, of course, recent times, Emirates. And then we have Qatar coming in. That's more or less an icing on the cake in a way. We have not been particularly happy about the high cost of flying in the sub-region and the lack of connectivity. I think Qatar is coming in to let us know that with the growth of aviation, particularly based on the vision of His Excellency the President, that we should make this the hub. Qatar will see Ghana as a very good place, a conducive environment to do business, and therefore they should consider, and I invite them formally, to create a hub in Ghana. Hub for the West African region, where they can come into Ghana and fly to any other part of West or General.
Now let's do some more stories. Minister of Food and Agriculture, Dr. Owusu Efriakoto, has revealed that Crops Development Authority has been tasked to earn an annual foreign exchange as much as cocoa earns for the country. Now, according to the minister, each of the 6 selected crops, including coffee, is expected to earn the country a minimum of $2 billion annually by the year 2028. Now, the minister was speaking at the inauguration of the authority by the president in Kumasi yesterday.
The development and regulation of the tree crop sector has enormous potential for the country. The authority has been given the target to earn annually as much in foreign exchange as cocoa is currently earning for this country. In other words, each of the 6 selected crops plus coffee should earn a minimum of $2 billion annually by the year 2028. It is further estimated that in the next 8 years, by 2028, when the authority reaches a stage of full development, the value of proceeds from the tree crop exports is expected to reach some $16 billion minimum. And that figure could double when a substantial portion of the products is processed.
Well, that's it for today's edition of MS Breaks. My name is Kwabena Amaya. Keep watching MS24.